Hello, fourth graders. Today we are going to learn about planets and we will look at the order of the planets in our solar system. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to name the order of our planets in our solar system, and you'll be able to explain how the planets are classified. First, let us know what a planet is. A planet is a large round object that moves around the sun or another star, according to the Macmillan Dictionary. There are 9 planets in our solar system. The first 4 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, they are referred to as the inner planets, and they are made up of rocks. And the last 4 planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are made up of gases, and they are referred to as the outer planets. Pluto is no longer considered a planet. Here is the order of the planets from the Sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The following sentence makes it easy to remember the order of the planets. My very easy method just speeds up names. My very easy method just speeds up names. My for Mercury, very Venus, easy Earth, method Mars, just Jupiter, speeds Saturn, up Uranus, names Neptune. So my very easy method just speeds up names. You can also come up with your own sentence that you can remember, that can help you remember these planets in their order, according to their order from the sun. So I would like to show you the pictures of these planets in our solar system, the 8 planets, how they look like. This is how these planets, the 8 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, this is how they look. They are ordered from the sun. This is the line. This is how they look like from the sun. They are lined up like this. And we will also even learn the distance from the sun for each planet. So first of all, we will look at Mercury. This is Mercury, planet Mercury. It is 36 million miles from the sun, followed by Venus. Venus is next to Mercury, and it's 67 million miles from the sun. The next planet is Earth, our planet. Earth is the planet where you live, and it is 93 miles away from the sun. 93 million miles from the sun. And the next planet is Mars. It is 142 million miles from the sun. This is Mars. Then we have Jupiter is the largest planet of all of our 8 planets in our solar system, and Jupiter is 483 million miles away from the sun. The next planet to Jupiter is Saturn, and this is Saturn. See, it has rings, and it is 887 million miles away from the sun. The next one is Uranus. Uranus also has rings, and it is 1,784 million miles from the sun. Then we have Neptune. Our last planet is Neptune, and it is 2,794 million miles away from the sun. So this is how they look like. Those are the pictures of the planets, 8 planets in our solar system. We will learn more about these planets, but today I would like to summarize what we have learned. We have learned what a planet is. We have also learned that the planets, our planets, are classified into 2 groups: the inner planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and they are made up of rocks. And the outer planets, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are made up of gases, and they are referred to as the outer planets. And the easiest way to remember the names of these planets is to use the sentence that we just said. My very easy method just speeds up names. My very easy method just speeds up names. It will help you to remember the names of these planets. You can also come up with your own sentence that can help you remember the names of the planets. Once more: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Thank you. Next time, you should be able to say the names of these planets in their order from the sun, and also you should be able to give the classification of these planets. Thank you. Explain.